In this tutorial, I will show you how you as a user can use the Recycle Bin feature to retrieve and restore elements that have already been deleted. The Mpower feature shown here should also be integrated into future versions of Mpower and in some cases already in older Mpower versions. The Recycle Bin feature ensures that deleted elements from the Mpower library are not lost immediately but remain retrievable. This avoids unintentional deletion and ensures safe management of content. In order to use the Recycle Bin, the following requirements must be met. The Mpower WebSync and the web library must be installed. The web library integration feature must be enabled. Note: the Mpower WebSync or the web library is not automatically installed with the backend. When the feature is enabled and you delete an element in the Mpower library or in the Mpower web library, it is not permanently deleted but moved to the Recycle Bin. To retrieve the Recycle Bin and use the Recycle Bin, do the following. First, navigate to the Start group in the Mpower ribbon and click on the Library button to open the library. Now, click on the Recycle Bin button at the bottom left of the library window. The Recycle Bin is opened in the Mpower web app in the browser. Log in to the web app with your credentials. If you want to open the Recycle Bin in the Mpower web app, navigate to the Recycle Bin tab. In this case, the Recycle Bin is already open. To open an element from the Recycle Bin, navigate to one of the elements with the mouse and then click on the Elements button in the top right corner. This will open the element in PowerPoint. Alternatively, you can click on the element first and then click on the Open button in the top left corner. To move an element from the Recycle Bin back to the Mpower library, select the split button Open and then click Download. Then upload the element back to the Mpower library. The Recycle Bin button is only available in the Mpower library in PowerPoint. Nevertheless, elements that are deleted in the Mpower library in Word and Excel are stored in the Recycle Bin. To enter the Recycle Bin, follow the instructions above. To always be able to retrieve the Recycle Bin without opening the Mpower library in PowerPoint, save the link as a bookmark in your browser. This way you can always access the Recycle Bin directly in the browser. Note: since the Recycle Bin displays all deleted files, it may take some time to load. Once you have logged in to the Mpower web app, you do not need to log in again. It is not possible to restore directly from the Recycle Bin to the folder where the element was stored before it was deleted. Attention! It is not possible to manually, permanently delete the elements from the Recycle Bin. The elements in the Recycle Bin are available for 1 year and are then permanently deleted. Permissions. The permissions that are assigned in Mpower also apply to the Recycle Bin. For using the Recycle Bin, this means the following. The user also sees only the elements in the Recycle Bin for which he or she has the authorizations. If the user does not have permission for an element, it will not be displayed in the Recycle Bin. If the user is the only one who has permission for an element, only he or she can see the element in the Recycle Bin. Feel free to test the function yourself and save valuable time. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.